Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to change Facebook language. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to change Facebook language. So let's get started. So guys, to change Facebook language, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search bar Facebook. Now simply click on first link. Okay, here you can see our Facebook homepage. So to change language, here you can see the option of account. So click on account. Now in account you can see the option of settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. In this option you can see the option of languages. So click on languages. And here you can see the option of Facebook language. So simply click on edit. So guys, here you can see currently here it is selected English UK. So to add other language, simply click on this arrow. Now scroll down and find language which you want to add. So here I'm going to find Urdu. So here it is. So click on Urdu. Now click on save change. Guys, as you can see, everything is written in Urdu. So try another language. So again click on this option. Now from here select language. This time I'm going to select English US. So click on it. Now here you have to click on this highlighted option. So guys, here you can see again our language has been changed. Everything is written in English US. So guys, here you can see we have changed the language in Facebook. So you can also change the language in Facebook by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.